Discover the ultimate selection of grilling gear and accessories with our curated list of the best grill finds on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a weekend warrior, these must-have items will elevate your grilling game and ensure delicious results every time. 14. Mountain Grillers Meat Claws. Mountain Grillers. Meat claws are durable and versatile tools perfect for shredding meat with ease. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant material, they feature sharp, claw-like prongs that make pulling pork, shredding chicken, or lifting large cuts of meat simple and efficient. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Ideal for BBQ enthusiasts, these claws offer superior control and precision. They're also easy to clean, making them a must-have for grilling and kitchen tasks. 13. Space Grill 3 Burner BBQ. The Space Grill 3 Burner BBQ is a versatile and compact outdoor cooking solution designed for convenience and efficiency. Featuring 3 powerful stainless steel burners, it delivers consistent heat for perfect grilling results. Its fold-away design makes it ideal for saving space, and the grill can be easily wall-mounted or stored when not in use. With durable construction and simple cleaning, the Space Grill is perfect for small outdoor spaces while still offering ample cooking power for backyard barbecues or family gatherings. 12. Nomad Grill and Smoker. The Nomad Grill and Smoker is a premium portable grill designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It combines grilling and smoking capabilities in one compact, durable package. Featuring cast aluminum construction and precise temperature control, it delivers excellent heat retention for evenly cooked meals. With a cooking surface of up to 425 square inches, it's perfect for tailgating, camping, or backyard grilling. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it easy to transport, while the innovative airflow system ensures consistent cooking performance. Ideal for both grilling and smoking fans. 11. Proud Pyro Camp Fire Pit Plus Grill Kit. The Proud Pyro Camp Fire Pit Plus Grill Kit is a versatile outdoor cooking solution. It features a durable, portable fire pit with an integrated grill, perfect for camping or backyard gatherings. Its design allows for easy assembly and efficient heat distribution, making it ideal for grilling, cooking, or simply enjoying a campfire. The kit's compact, foldable design ensures convenient storage and transport, while its high-quality construction ensures lasting performance for outdoor enthusiasts. 10. Grillbot Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot. The Grillbot Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot is a hassle-free solution for keeping your grill spotless. Equipped with strong, replaceable wire brushes, it efficiently scrubs away grease and residue from your grill grates. Simply place it on your grill, press a button, and let the robot do the work, saving you time and effort. Its built-in timer and alarm ensure optimal cleaning without supervision. Perfect for both gas and charcoal grills, it makes grill maintenance easy and hands-free. 9. Grill Armor Waterproof Oven Gloves. The 231 Grill Armor Waterproof Oven Gloves are designed for heavy-duty protection while grilling, baking, or welding. Made from premium materials, they are heat-resistant and waterproof, providing superior safety against high temperatures and hot liquids. The gloves feature a non-slip grip for secure handling of tools and utensils, and their durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for BBQ enthusiasts, bakers, and welders, these gloves offer both comfort and versatility, making them essential for any kitchen or workshop. 8. Höfats Cube Fire Basket. The Höfats Cube Fire Basket is a versatile, stylish outdoor fire pit designed for warmth and ambience. Made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, it doubles as a grill and can also be used as a seat or side table when the fire is out. Its unique cube design allows for easy control and extinguishing of the fire by simply tipping it over. Perfect for outdoor gatherings, the Höfats Cube offers functionality, modern design, and safety all in one. 7. Luft Airlighter. The Luft Airlighter is a fast, eco-friendly fire-starting tool designed for grills, fireplaces, and campfires. It ignites charcoal or wood in just 60 seconds without needing lighter fluid, ensuring a chemical-free flame. With an ergonomic design and built-in safety features, it offers both convenience and safety. The Luft Airlighter uses superheated air, making it efficient for outdoor cooking or indoor use. Ideal for grill masters and fire enthusiasts looking for a reliable, clean ignition tool. 6. GoSun Sport E Hybrid Solar Oven. The GoSun Sport E Hybrid Solar Oven is a portable, eco-friendly cooking device that uses solar energy and electric backup to cook meals. Its vacuum tube technology traps heat, allowing it to cook food in as little as 20 minutes. With the hybrid feature, you can cook even when the sun isn't shining. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for outdoor adventures or off-grid living, delivering a clean and efficient way to bake, steam, or fry food anywhere. 5. Solar Brother SunGood Solar Cooker. The Solar Brother SunGood Solar Cooker harnesses the power of sunlight to cook meals efficiently and sustainably. Designed for outdoor use, it features a reflective panel system that concentrates solar energy, reaching temperatures suitable for baking, boiling, and roasting. Lightweight and portable, this cooker is ideal for camping, picnics, or emergency preparedness. Its eco-friendly design eliminates the need for fuels, promoting a cleaner cooking method while providing delicious solar-cooked meals wherever you go. 4. Grillkilt Grilling Apron. The Grillkilt Grilling Apron combines functionality and style for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. This innovative apron features multiple pockets for tools, a unique design that allows freedom of movement, and a stylish kilt-inspired look. Made from durable materials, it protects against spills and stains while ensuring comfort during grilling sessions. The adjustable straps provide a customizable fit, making it suitable for various body types. Perfect for backyard barbecues, tailgating, or camping, the Grillkilt is a must-have for every grill master. 3. No Worriez Outdoor Grilling Gas Grill. Shut-off Timer. The No Worriez Outdoor Grilling Gas Grill Shut-off Timer is a convenient device designed to enhance grilling safety. It features an easy-to-use timer that automatically shuts off the gas supply after a set period, preventing accidents from forgetting to turn off the grill. With a durable design suitable for outdoor use, this timer ensures peace of mind while cooking. Its simple installation makes it compatible with most gas grills, allowing for worry-free grilling experiences. 2. Nork Eco Party Bundle. The Nork Eco Party Bundle offers a sustainable solution for dining and entertaining. This set includes eco-friendly, reusable utensils designed for both comfort and style. Crafted from durable, biodegradable materials, these utensils combine the functionality of a knife and fork in one, making them ideal for various occasions. The bundle is perfect for picnics, barbecues, or everyday meals, allowing you to enjoy your food while minimizing environmental impact. Upgrade your dining experience with this chic and responsible option. 1. Meter Plus Meat Thermometer. The Meter Plus Meat Thermometer is a wireless cooking tool that ensures perfectly cooked meat every time. With a range of up to 165 feet, it connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone, allowing you to monitor cooking temperatures remotely through the Meter app. The dual sensors measure both internal and ambient temperatures, providing accurate readings. Featuring a rechargeable battery and a sleek design, it's ideal for grilling, smoking, and roasting, making it a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the best grill finds on Amazon. We hope you discovered some fantastic tools and accessories to elevate your grilling game. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more grilling tips and product reviews.